What's up, everybody? It's Wyatt with WC Fishing. We're back at the inlet, back with a video, and I don't have the bait with me. It's actually already out there on the jetty because I'm meeting one of my buddies out here. He picked it up for us, but it's been a minute since I've been back. It's been, I think, 2-3 weeks now, so hoping the bite's good, hoping it's changed. It's been real slow lately, but getting out here a little bit later than I wanted, but let's find out if there's fish. Got some shrimp. Let's get the first bait in the water. Ah, it's getting lighter by the second. What do we got? Oh, he woke up. He woke up. We got a fish on now. Hold on, what's my line at? Okay, I'm over here. Coming in again. Oh, let me on the corner, let me on the corner. Thank you, guys. Oh. No. Stay out of the rocks. Oh. Oh, come on. Come on, stay out of those rocks. Oh, come on. Come on, baby.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Don't drop it. Don't drop it.
Fish has so much energy but does not want to go away from the jetty in these rocks, which is terrifying. Keep going that way.
Snook.
Oh, coming back.
Very good.
Coming back. Come on, baby. Come on. There we go. No, he's definitely over. Somebody got me? Put it all the way down. Oh. Woo! There we go. Oh, it's been a while since I've caught one of those.
Yeah, they don't care too much about something.
Ah, we're all right. I don't mind catching them if they're over. Yeah. Hold on to that.
We got so many razor blades in here.
Oh. Let's get a quick measurement just because I'm curious. This is a big one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 4 is 36. Nice little 36-inch snook. Definitely over. But he knows how to put up a fight, so I'll take over any day. But let's get him back. All right, so that's the first one on the day. It only took all day, but that sun is going down and the bite should be good for the next like 20 minutes or so. Let's see if we can get another one, and let's see if we can get a keeper. Oh, we got a fish on. Oh yeah, come on. Come on, baby. Got a snook. Just waiting out here on a net. Don't want to make any assumptions on size yet, but we got another snook.
You got one on?
Yeah, I need a net.
Oh, okay.
If you don't mind, I think he's like right there. Bring her all the way down. Bam. Now comes the fun part. How big is he? He looks awful close.
He might make, I'd say 26 and a half. Already good.
Is he small? Is he that short? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 4 is 28. Yeah, let's get a stick right now, because he is right on the mark of being there. Let's see. He is right there. Nice smaller snook for a while, but let's see, we got a stick to actually check him on. The grate's good if you're hitting your middle points, not when you're right there.
Oh man,
that's 28. Oh, oh my, what's the call? Because he's gonna shrink when I pop him.
Is he up against it?
Yeah, he's up against it. I'm gonna take a timestamp picture on that one. Yeah. So this one is just barely legal. But we got timestamp video of it. He is 28 inches.
28 inch? Yeah, that's good.
So
Let's keep it. Good.
we are going to pop him.
What do you do this?
And bleed him out. And that is my first slot snook of the season, right there on the dot. Whew. It's been too long for me trying to find one of those, but it only took a month, but we got one, and I am so excited to try to eat this fish. Second cast after the video, we got another one. This one's a little bit bigger. Let's see what we're working with. Another snook. Woo! Yo, can you help me with the net? And there he goes.
Oh,
he p***ed off. That's all right. I thought that snook probably just frayed through my mono. I'm using 30 pound, but I guess he just managed to spit the hook on me right before we could get him in the net. Not a bad day at all. So I was out there fishing the inlet for about 6 hours or so. About the 3-4 hour mark right at sunset, that 36 came around, made the day by far worth it. I got tight on a good fish. I got to fight it, got pictures with it, everything else, super pumped on it. But then to cap it off and make the day even better, I caught a smaller fish. So I caught one in slot, and it's my first slot fish of the season. So I'm actually getting to keep one. I'm actually gonna eat it. And it just barely made it into the slot range that we needed. Legal on snook here in Florida is 28 to 32 inches. And he was maybe 28 and a 16th. So I covered it a little bit. I don't know if I'll use it or not, but I took pictures of that fish while it was alive and sitting on the stake. I took video, made sure it was time-stamped, showing that thing was over 28 inches. Just because when you bleed them and put them on ice, typically they tend to shrink. Conveniently, this one didn't. I got it home, checked it again, and it was just barely still 28, but it was over the mark. It's a legal fish. So I am so excited about it. We finally got a keeper, but going forward in the future, I probably won't keep them if they're that close again, but I couldn't help myself. It's the first one of the season. I finally got it. Super pumped on it. And then of course we lost one that was probably in that 31 range, but it is what it is. I got to see it, got to fight the fish, so I got the fun out of it. And all in all, a really good day, a massive win for me because I am super stoked because now I get to eat the fish. But as for my night, this is going to be it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. It'll really help me. But keep fishing, enjoy it.